Hey world, welcome Awisam Squad. In this casual video, we wanted to find the value of this expression 58 divided by 1 over 16 then times 16. Let's go and start solving the problem. We have 16 divided by 16 which equals 1. So here we have just 1, and 58 divided by 1 equals 58. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, we have to do this division first, not this multiplication. So let's start the correct solution. 58 divided by 1 over 16. To do this division, write down the 58 and change the division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 16 over 1, which gives 16. And here again we have times 16. 58 times 16 gives us 928. So 928 times 16, which equals 14,848. And so our final answer to this problem is just 14,848. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to comment your thoughts.